My senior exhibition project is a gender-neutral children's clothing brand. I wanted to make pieces for kids so that nobody felt put into a box. Again, growing up as a Girl Scout and just seeing my peers around me, we were never told what girls can and can't do. And I think girls and boys and everyone in between should all be told that, because I had the privilege of being encouraged every step of the way throughout my childhood that I could do and be anything I wanted to, and I want kids to all feel that same way. My project has 3 themes. Each collection is based on science, the outdoors, and cooking. With my designs, I wanted to create pieces that celebrate learning, sharing, and appreciating in colors and designs that girls, boys, and everyone in between can enjoy without feeling left out. I named my project Kind Tuples because kind is just referring to how I want those to interact with the brand, to treat themselves, treat the world, treat others. Second word, Tuples, in reference to the little characters that are the mascot for the brand, is a loving nickname that was given to my bearded dragon over there. I wanted to put that unconditional love and sentiment that I have for my animals and the kind of passion and unconditional love I have for them into the branding. I've had 2 internships during my career at MIAD. My first one being at a luxury bathroom appliance company called Warmly Yours. My second internship during my career at MIAD, I worked at a production company called Divine Signs. I would love to work at DreamWorks or Cartoon Network, but it would be super fun to be a part of their visual development team or working, like designing some of the merchandise. The shows and the movies that those companies created were the things that pushed me to be an artist and made me excited about art, because I got to see what a whole team of people can produce.